Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Hey Grant Cousins, we have a $10,000 grant for your business. This grant is introduced by Lenovo and AMD Advanced Micro Devices, and they believe that small businesses are the heart of North America. And in an effort to expand economic opportunity and equity, the Lenovo Evolve Small Initiative will be providing $10,000 in professional development to minority and women-owned small businesses in the United States and Canada through Goody Nation. The grant provides small businesses not only with capital to support economic growth, but also with coaching, network, and partnership to help grant recipients thrive. In addition to the cash grant, each of the selected businesses will receive a Lenovo ThinkBook powered by AMD. Now, in order to qualify for this $10,000 grant, you must be the founder or majority business owner, and you must identify as one of the following groups: Black or African, a Latinx, a woman, or Indigenous, Native American, or other underrepresented group. Now, your business must have either a physical location as part of the core business offering, for example, bed and breakfast or restaurant or etc., or produce a physical product. Now, your revenue over the previous 12 months must be between $100,000 and $3 million. You must not have raised no more than $3 million in investment capital. Your company must be a registered LLC, C Corp, S Corp, or a similar Canadian company structure in the United States of America or Canada. Now, the deadline for this grant is December 16, and you will be awarded in early 2023. So let's go over the application. The application takes 5 minutes to apply for. On the application, you will add your company information, your company social media information, and a headshot of yourself, your business revenue, and your business industry. And at the end of the application, you will have to answer some short questions. And the short questions are: how does the business currently use technology to enhance services and products? How does your business contribute to the surrounding community? How would this grant and learning opportunity help your business to evolve and grow? And that's it. Once you fill out the short questions, you will press submit. I wish all of you the best of luck that is applying. If you like these type of videos, please leave this video a thumbs up, guys. I hope this video was helpful for you all. Let me know down in the comment section if this grant is worth your time, and if you will check this one out. Make sure to check out recent grants at designersoapbox.com/grants. So make sure you click the link in the pinned comments or video description below to learn more. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.